We are climbing up to the 7th floor of the ice tower. Let's go ahead and begin today. So close to the top, I don't want this to end at all.
You're almost on the 8th floor. Don't give up now. I'm counting on you.
You can count on us, Ada. We will get you out of that room.
Don't worry, Ada. There's no way we're backing out now.
I already said that, Newt. Already said that. All right, let's go ahead and begin. So we are beginning our 8th grade curriculum walkthrough today. We finished up the 7th grade yesterday, and so we're going to go ahead and make our way through some of the 8th grade concepts in the 7th, 8th, and then also the boss battle. And we might need to finish up with 1 or 2 other game modes to finish up this 8th grade content. All right. Ooh, that is a new one. Look at you, you beautiful, beautiful. Wow. That is so cool. So cool. I don't think I have ever seen Stampede before. Oh man, this is exciting. Okay, let's go ahead and get focused here. Terra Blast. Okay, use exponent properties to simplify the following expression with a positive exponent. Every box needs a number in it. If your answer is 4 squared, you should input it 4 squared over 1 squared. Okay, so we're going to have 1 to the power of 1 and 3 to the power of 6 times 3 to the negative 5th times 3 to the negative 4th. Okay, so what we're going to hear, negative exponents change to reciprocal with a positive exponent. So we're going to go ahead and invert these. 3 to the negative 2nd becomes 1 over 3 to the negative 2nd. 1 over 3 to the negative 2nd, that's going to equal 3 squared. Okay, so let's go ahead and take a look at this. So we're going to have, let's go ahead and break this apart first. So this, I almost need to write this out, I think. So I think we're going to have to break this apart into 1 over 3 to the 6 times 3 to the 5th. Put the 1 here. Times 3 to the 4th, I believe is what we should be doing here. And then I'll go ahead and do some multiplication here to go ahead and do this. I don't know if there's a way that we can just cross these off. I kind of feel like there is a way that we can just cross these off. Let me know in the comments if that is something that we can do. 3 times 3 times 3 times 3 times 3 times 3. Okay, so that's 729 on our bottom. And then 3 times 3 times 3 times 3. That's going to be 81 here. And then 81 times 3 is 243. Okay. So we are getting into some big numbers here. 243. Although we're supposed to do this with exponents. So on the bottom it would be, I don't need to do all of that. 3 to the power of 6, and on the top it would be 3. We're just going to add these exponents together because this is multiplying 5 times. This is multiplying 4 3s. 3 to the power of 9. And I don't think it says we simplify it. So let's go ahead and cast the spell. This should be right. No, it's not. Not at all. Okay. I can't see what this says as far as... Alright, so multiplication, we add the exponents. Okay, so that would be 3 to the negative 9th, which should be 3 to the 9th. We would add them. Change the reciprocal, so 1 over 3 to the negative 6 equals 3 to the 2nd. So 3 to the 5th, 3 to the 4th should be on top, 3 to the 9th, and then 3 to the 6th underneath. So you know what, maybe we go ahead and do 3 to the third. I'm just going to do 1 to the... And then go ahead and simplify it like that. Let's cast a spell and see. Okay, so that's what we did. We needed to simplify a little further for this. Here we go. Ooh, that was like a little brain massage. And it looks like we should be able to go ahead and get Stampede now, which I'm super excited for. And it's level 94. How cool is that? 3908. Awesome, awesome hit there. Yes, we are rescuing you, buddy. Yes, we have to get this one right. Use exponent properties to simplify the following expression. Okay, so we are going to go ahead and do 13 plus 10 would be 23 minus 1 would be 22, so it should be 14 to the power of 22. No, okay. So example with 7. Oh, this is division. Okay, so let's go ahead and when dividing like bases, we subtract the exponents. Okay, so we're subtracting, apologies. So 13 minus 13. So 7 minus 3. So we have 13 plus 1 would be 14. So this should be 14 to the power of 4, I believe. Please let it be right. Yes! Okay, awesome. We got Stampede. Woohoo! I have not done a lot of work with exponents. Depending on the field that you're in, you may have more experiences with them in your adult life. That is so exciting. What a beautiful, beautiful pet there. Alright, let's see. Flurious. 3867 points of damage there. And let's go ahead and do our Supernova. Use exponent properties to simplify the following expression. Alright, so this should be 9, 3 plus 5. That will be 8. 9 to the power of 8. Okay, good. We're kind of getting a groove here going. I just have to make sure I'm paying attention to multiplication or division and really reading the problem. So when you get into 8th grade, up into high school, reading the problem and really focusing on what it's saying becomes super important. Ice Creator is going to be using Snowling Ball on us. And that's a miss. Okay, Falling Star Smash. Okay, so we're exponent properties to simplify. Every box needs a number. So we are going to have 5 to the power of 1 as our base, and then here we are going to have 48 to the power of 6, and I believe this should be the way that this works out. Yes, awesome. My exponent knowledge has come back and entered my body, so I'm back with it. That's awesome. Woohoo, we won the battle. Feels really nice to have this refresher. And we leveled up. Wonderful. Black Ice Frostfang. Level 50. Okay, so which way are we going, guys? That battle was so long, I don't even remember which way we came. Let's take a look around. Oh, and here we have an Ivory Trip Trop. My Ivory Trip Trop I don't think is that high. I believe I have an Ivory Trip Trop. Okay, let's go ahead and start out with some hot snow here. Use exponent properties to simplify the following expression. Okay, so this would be multiplication, which would be a subtraction sentence. So this should be 44 to the power of 6. Oh, so this is, we multiply them. Okay. And so it's to the power of negative 16. Woohoo! Okay. I was feeling like I was getting a groove down, and then they just sort of tossed something else into the pot there, didn't they? I love learning with you guys, though, so I am happy to be learning this. Happy to be figuring it out alongside with you. Alright, Ivory Trip Trop. Snowling Ball, 2735 points of damage there. And let's go for the Supernova here. I should have actually, I should have gotten you, buddy. Sorry. Use exponent properties to simplify and evaluate. So this is division multiplication. So this is 6 minus 3 is going to be 2. 3 minus 2 is going to be 1. 1 times 6, that would be 5 to the power of 7. Okay, keep your answer as a fraction, not a decimal. Don't forget to put an answer in every box. If your answer is a whole number, put 1 as your denominator. Okay, so we have no negative exponents, so I don't understand this divisor here. And it looks like they want us to put it in as a whole number. Keep your answer as a fraction, not a decimal. Don't forget. Okay, so we are multiplying it out.
To evaluate,
all right.
Multiply the base by itself.
Okay, so this is going to be 5 times 5 times 5 times 5 times 5 times 5. All right. So 78,125 over 1. There we go. Okay. Up we go, down we come. I think we're going to be knocking this ivory trip trap out. Sorry, buddy, I meant to get you. And looks like the ivory trip, everyone's running away. So hopefully we will see another ivory trip trap before we make it to the top of this tower, so that we can collect it. Alright, so we don't have any more areas to go from here. I don't know if we came from down here or not. Let's check a peek and see. Looks like we might have. And let's head on over this way. And we'll check up here. Okay, so this is the door, so we did not go down. So we need to head on down there. And then come on over here. Make our way over here. Okay, we've got some sheets. Woohoo. And woohoo. Awesome. Let's make our way to this area. And there's still a little spot that we need to go down. Hopefully there's an ivory trip trap behind that door. That would make me very happy. And let's make our way straight across. Don't see any academy pages. Okay. Yes, awesome. Thank you. Alright, let's go ahead and do some hot snow here. Okay, rewrite the given expression with a positive exponent, then evaluate. Okay, so this is going to be 13 to the power of 3. And so 13 times 13 times 13, this should be 2197 over 1. And let's see if this is correct. Yes, awesome. Woohoo! And hot snow up in the air, and then boom, boom, boom. And we should be able to capture this ivory trip trap. That was a really nice hit, BF. Thank you. Okay, remember we're going to capture. Sometimes I have to talk to myself as I'm playing to remember to capture. I don't know if that happens to you or not, but alright, use exponent properties. So this is 3, so this is 1 times 2, which would be 3 times 3. So it's going to be 9 over 1, because the parentheses means that we multiply. Woohoo! Yay! Come to us, level 94 ivory trip chop! Woo-hoo-hoo! And we have the Ivory Trip Trop. Snowling Ball is coming our way. 2,600 points of damage. Let's go ahead and do a Supernova here. Alright, we are going to keep our answer as a fraction, not a decimal. So this is going to be 5 minus 4 would be 1. So we're going to have 4. 4 to the power of 1 is 4. It's an identity statement. So our denominator is 1. Woohoo! Up we go, down we come. And it looks like one more Supernova if we have the power for it. Spherical Crush. Misses. Nice try, Flurious. A for effort. Okay, exponent properties to simplify and evaluate the following expression. 5 to the negative 10. Let's go ahead and just check this stuff out here. Okay, so this is all multiplication, so 5 to the negative 10 would become 5 to the negative 5. 5 to the negative 5, so 5 to the power of 5. And so that's 5 times 5 times 5 times 5 times 5. Okay, 3,125. Woohoo! Alright, up we go, and then down we're gonna come. And that is it. Alright, we won. Level 70, way to go. Woot woot.
Let's head back, okay?
Yep, let's go ahead and head back to the elevator. I want to make sure that we collect all of these, though. So let's check out this little room here. And there's one page. Awesome. Be sure to like, be sure to subscribe. Thank you in advance for that. Subscribing, liking, and leaving comments really helps YouTube's algorithm, which helps my videos to make it out into the wide world of YouTube. So I appreciate that, and you will continue to see more content like this, and I appreciate it, yeah. So let's make it back. We are going to be on floor 8 in our next video, which I am a little bit sad about because these towers are so much fun. This has just been an absolute blast, and I can't wait to for the Storm Tower and all of the other towers to be released, because this is just, man, what a fun time. So yeah, please go ahead and keep on prodigying on, and we'll see you back here next time. All right. Thanks so much, and yeah, take care. Bye-bye.